Hey everyone, it's Brooklyn Napier from the Dan Plowman team, and I'm excited to show you our newest home for sale at 705 Masson Street in Oshawa. Let's check it out. This detached home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a fully finished basement. Check out this work from home oasis and just look at that view. This beautiful home also features a main floor primary bedroom. Now let's head on upstairs to the 2 more spacious bedrooms. Thanks for staying to the end of our tour. If you're looking for more information or a private showing, give us a call.